On a scale of what I normally do, 1 to 10, this is on sort of like a sort of 140 or something like that. I mean, this is ridiculous.
Delia has been given one of Le Manoir's most popular dishes, poached quail egg ravioli with a spinach and parmesan filling, served with wild mushrooms and a turkey jus.
The inspiration of the quail ravioli come from when I was in holiday, and I spent 5 days cooking with an Italian mama, and she was doing pasta like I've never tasted before. So instead of being on the beach with my wife, okay, I was with this lovely old lady who taught me pasta.
35, please, thank you.
Of course, I nearly divorced. It was not a good idea. But that's what chefs do, you know?
Delia first needs to caramelize turkey leg meat for the jus.
If that goes black, it's bitter.
Yeah.
OK,
Yes,
so
chef.
really slow. That's the detail in the recipe we're looking at.
OK.
She needs to get the jus on early, as it will take 2.5 hours to reduce.
Smell that, you smell the colour. See,
yeah.
that black is what you don't want.
No.
Clean your pan. Start again. You got more meat, go again.
Oh, it's just incredibly frustrating. I absolutely burnt a whole load of turkey and vegetables, so... God, I feel like I'm having a meltdown, yeah. I've just got to start everything again. Oh, I don't believe it. It's torn.
Delia is most behind.
I don't even... No, I can't do that.
To be fair, it's a big challenge. You know, it's really a big challenge. And I think she's doing her best.
Oh, it's just so stressful because I've made holes in so many that I'm almost out of pasta. And I've literally just got no spares now, so...
Technically, it's a highly demanding dish. Inside the ravioli, you have a quail egg, which is barely cooked. And it finished cooking in the ravioli.
While the ravioli cooks, Delia must swiftly bring together her spinach and girole mushroom garnish.
So your plate is going in 10 minutes from now?
Yeah.
Let's have a look at these raviolis.
Is it bad news or good news?
Spinach soup.
Is it?
No.
Oh.
Right.
Nearly there. And that one didn't split. So, how paranoid pasta can make you. There you go. No.
How many split in the water?
None.
None. Huge congratulations. Focus on the sauce now. We're now due to go, so Raymond is ready. Great job.
Thank
Great
you,
job,
Chef.
really well done.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Delia has cooked poached quail egg and spinach ravioli, topped with truffle, and served with pickled mushrooms, spinach, giroles, a parsley and chervil oil, and finished with a turkey jus.
It is a very, very beautiful-looking dish. And there's lots and lots of work in here to admire. Really, really impressed.
See what I like? Look, the egg yolk is beautiful.
It is light in texture and it is massive on flavour. The pasta is so fine, it's almost not there.
But it is there, I can assure you.
You got the spinach, which is wonderful and fresh and vibrant with that egg yolk as the sauce.
The jus is fantastic. I think it's quite incredible of what she's done.
4 hours. That was absolutely exhausting. But yeah, I think that's probably going to be the first time in this competition that I've said I am so happy with what I did. Because I am. So